with that bag of stuff.
That was awesome.
That might do it.
Where's
that?
that was awesome.
Tanner?
I'm embarrassed if I missed that shot, actually, at this range.
Yeah. Do you want to get the bag of Tannerite that we have back there at the shooting range, which is just right there? I mean, we're real close. Do you want to get the bag?
We can stuff it in here.
Yeah, I've had Michael oil.
How did that not just get destroyed?
That was a different
That was another one.
Oh,
Can you go get that bag
I'm a
of stuff?
dumbass here.
Yeah,
Good man.
Oh, you didn't know. Yeah, it's actually almost straight through at the house.
If you walk through this clearing.
I see right there. Across that bridge.
No, stay to your right. You'll see it. It's closer.
Oh, man, look how deep it is.
Oh, that's where you need it.
Right there. Right straight in there.
You see it, Tanner? Go to your right.
You're on the
Yes.
Yeah, you put it in there. It's going.
right. I don't know, man. We could try it deeper, but that tree is...
Solid as a rock.
It don't want to die. I don't even think it shook.
Well, I tell you what, that concussion went way past me. It just went. Whew.
I was just happy to see it work.
Now you know it works.
Yeah.
What's weakening, after he brings that up, what's weakening, you let Jeff shoot the ground, take some turns just shooting stuff into it. That way Jeff can shoot the ground and you'll be happy.
Okay.
Oh, that's a bucket round, man.
Brought it all the way out here. Besides, I got a lot of my rounds
Okay.
cheap, remember?
Here. So that log was up against it right there.
What?
Mm-hmm.
My God. Pete, to take this out, this gel.
Or does that come out when you cut it out?
That blue. That was a. That may have been a chunk of it. Yeah.
You think you mixed
that
that
may
up
have been a
enough?
chunk.
Yeah, I think it was.
That's mixed. If it's gray, it's mixed enough. Don't you don't have to pour it out.
Just stuff it in there.
Just stuffed it in there.
In there.
Set it back in there as far as you can.
A lot of it leaked out, huh? Yeah, lost a lot of it.
Jeff, see if you can hit that. I need to make that hole a little taller. That way we can pack 2 or 3 in there.
I'll take one shot. And someone else.
Want to try the Garand or Mauser?
Green.
Okay.
Good job. That was fun to see.
It was fun.
We almost gave up on that fun.
This was leaning against the wood.
Wow. Isn't that amazing?
We almost gave up on having that fun.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me.
And then this was the piece that was. This was. This was a triangular piece, so it's been busted up.
Can you see that? Can you see that?
Hmm?
I guess we got the right place in. Yeah, it's back in there. It needs in there.
Try this one, the one that we just.
We're not very good with that.
Put your beer down, take the rifle.
That's the carbine.
That's
No, that's a Garand.
Yeah, I'll finish it for you.
this is the Garand, man. This is awesome.
M1.
Which one was that?
Yeah.
That's a German Mauser.
Oh, okay.
Is that oil?
Hope so.
Good.
This is a World War II. Granite.
Yeah, they issued the Garand to the grunts, and the
Thank you.
flyboys had the carbines.
If it's going to go, that thing's going to get it to go.
Yeah, mine sticks a little bit. You're gonna have to kind of work it. It doesn't want to do the classic Garand move.
Oh, that's the thumb breaker.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Work it.
There you go.
Work it.
That's all it took.
Safety's off.
Okay.
Safety third. Hang on. Hold my beer. Hold my phone.
Hold on.
Hang
Hold on a sec. We ready to
Do
shoot?
you need ear protection?
No.
No.
Oh yeah. But
Yeah, I think you do. Tinnitus.
Tinnitus.
Why is the safety not going off?
Jeff, you want my muffs?
Beer's empty.
I've been there.
I
Re-up.
got these.